In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe Competitive. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you general tips on how to get into competitive play for Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. So, of course, the game offers fun and a competitive experience. However, while the game is enjoyable casually, there is a whole community dedicated to online play. So, first, you need to understand the competitive scene. To actually join the competitive scene and play these ranked races, you will need to join online communities. For example, Reddit's Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, you can find Discord servers or even forums to connect with other competitive players. Familiarize yourself with terms like shroomless, purple drift, bagging and slipstreaming, and of course, study track layouts, shortcuts, and optimal racing lines. Once you actually find a community of people who are willing to do these more competitive ranked matches, then all that you have to do is create or join custom rules with specific rules like 150cc, no items, or specific track sets. You can participate in online and offline tournaments, and usually, like I said, this will be done by joining different communities. So, as long as you join these communities and you find a room that is currently being hosted, you will be able to join these rooms with the specific rules that you are looking for. Like I said, there is a lot to learn when it comes to competitive, but for you to actually play a race that is competitive and most people are going to be trying and so on, you need to find a community who is willing to join and host these custom rooms. Once you find one, you just have to go into the online option inside of Mario Kart 8 Deluxe itself and choose to join a room using the room code. It is simple, you just need to spend some time familiarizing yourself with the community. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe Competitive. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.